How to use beginners immigration in Rise of Kingdoms. So supposedly this item would allow beginners to move their city to another kingdom before reaching City Hall level 8. So the feature is designed to give new players a chance to start fresh in a different kingdom if they choose to do so. So when you create a new account, you receive a beginner's immigration passport and two beginner teleports, but unfortunately, the item is currently unobtainable. So it did get removed from the game a long while ago. So again, the item given to new players alongside two beginners teleports, which can be used to move a character to another nascent kingdom. So they expire with either when 10 days has passed or the character has leveled up to City Hall level 8 or when Season 1's Eve of the Crusade begins. So moving your city to the location of one of the outermost provinces and whatnot. But again, the item itself has already been removed from the game. It's unupdatable, and other than that, it's also unusable if for some reason you do have the item. But hopefully the information of this video can still help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.